Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. This is the mogra jasmine flower. The small white flower of mogra is used for making garlands, which ladies use the garlands for adorning their hair. Mogra has a fresh, spicy, floral fragrance. Few days ago, we uploaded a video about how to take care of mogra plant. This is also called jasmine plant. Every gardener might have this plant because it reduces stress and depression. And also, it has such a beautiful fragrance after all. They have already given us flower in this season. This is the second time they are giving us flowers in this season. As we have already told that after you have done with flowering, you must prune the stems. Today I will tell you what kind of homemade fertilizers you should give your plants during flowering time. Today my mom will give 3 kinds of homemade liquid fertilizer to the plants. First, in a bowl of water, we will take some banana peel fertilizer and let it get wet. Now, keep it in rest for 24 hours to let it soak. Okay, now let's take a look at the second fertilizer, which is a liquid fertilizer, which is vegetable peel fertilizer. For this, let's soak the water out and let's add some bioenzymes in it and keep it in rest for 7 to 8 days. After 7 days, let us mix the banana peel fertilizer with the vegetable peel fertilizer. And then add some onion peel fertilizer. Mix it very well. Okay, now let us give it to our plant. This fertilizer has potassium, calcium, phosphorus, iron, sulfur, magnesium, and also all kinds of macro and micronutrients. If you give this fertilizer once in a week to your mogra plant, you would get 2 to. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.